In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Cameo and PowerPoint to add your live camera feed directly onto your slides. This is a powerful feature that makes your presentations more engaging, more personal, and perfect for recordings, online classes, and business meetings. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to insert Cameo, resize it, and fully customize its style, shape, and border. If this video helps you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss more PowerPoint tips and tutorials. Now, let's get started. First, open Microsoft PowerPoint. You can use the desktop version or the web version through Microsoft 365. Go ahead and open an existing presentation or create a new blank one to follow along. Once you're inside your presentation, go to the top menu and click on the Insert tab. The Insert tab is where you add new elements to your slides, like images, videos, shapes, and in this case, Cameo. Inside the Insert tab, look for the Cameo button. Click on Cameo, and PowerPoint will instantly place a camera placeholder directly onto your slide. This placeholder represents your live camera feed. When you start presenting or recording, this area will display your webcam. Now that the Cameo box is on your slide, you can move and resize it just like any other object in PowerPoint. Click and drag it to reposition it anywhere on the slide. You can place it in a corner, along the side, or even centered depending on your layout. To resize it, click and drag the corner handles to make it larger or smaller. This is especially useful if you want your face to be more prominent or more subtle in the presentation. Next, click directly on the Cameo object to make sure it's selected. When it's selected, you'll notice a new tab appears at the top called Camera Format. Go ahead and click on Camera Format. This is where all the customization options are located. Inside the Camera Format tab, you'll see different styling options. First, click on the small arrow in the Camera Style section. This will expand the style gallery and show you multiple preset designs. These styles let you quickly add effects like shadows, reflections, soft edges, and more to make your camera frame look more polished. If you want to change the shape of your camera frame, click on Camera Shape. From here, you can choose different shapes, like a circle, rounded rectangle, or other geometric shapes. For example, selecting a circular shape is very popular for modern presentations and online courses. Next, you can customize the border of your camera frame. Click on Camera Border. Here, you can change the color of the border to match your brand or slide theme. This is a great way to make your presentation look consistent and professional. To adjust the thickness of the border, click on Width under the Camera Border options. Increasing the width will make the border thicker and more visible, while decreasing it will create a thinner, more subtle outline. You can also fine-tune the size of your camera frame by adjusting the height and width settings directly. Click on Height to manually set the vertical size, and click on Width to control the horizontal size. This gives you precise control, especially if you want the camera feed to align perfectly with other elements on your slide. Once everything is positioned and styled the way you like, you're ready to present. When you start slideshow mode or begin recording your presentation, your live camera feed will appear inside the camera frame exactly as you designed it. And that's how you use Cameo in PowerPoint. As you can see, it's a simple feature but incredibly powerful for creating engaging and professional presentations. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy PowerPoint guides in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.